In terms of cost, the ChargerLeash with the microUSB tip for Android retails for $23, but the Lightning pin adapter variant, which is white in color and works for iPhones and iPads, is going to retail for a bit more at around $35. Both of these cables are a bit on the more expensive side of the spectrum, but for the unique twist that they have on a traditional charging cable, it's definitely reasonable to have a bit more of a steeper price tag. Taking a look at specifications, otherwise the ChargerLeash that we have here has a 6-foot length or 1.8 meters, so it's exceptionally long as far as charging cables go, which means that it's going to be perfect for longer setups. Perhaps you want to put your phone onto a desk and you want the other end plugged into the wall. It's going to be really good for that because the length of the cable is very long, which typically means that it's a bit more expensive, and that's always a good sign. It also uses flat ribbon wire, which means that it's going to be resistant to any tangling, which is another plus. The packaging is pretty professional. You can see that it's designed for Android on the top. There's a micro USB logo and a seal of approval, and it's powered by Q-Matix as far as the speaker technology is concerned. Now the company here, ChargerLeash, is pretty unique, and they do produce these charging cables, and again, it's one of the first of the kind smart charging cables we've ever seen on the market. The back includes some more information for the product. It's a ultra-fast charge and sync cable, so it charges most smartphones in 2 to 3 hours and also syncs it onto any PC or Mac plug-and-play. So how it works, it's simple. Simply connect the ChargerLeash to your portable device, connect the other end to a power source to begin charging. When you unplug your device, an alarm will sound within seconds, alerting you to pack your power accessories and take them with you. And to power the device off, we simply press on the charging alarm part and it's going to stop ringing. So interesting. There are actually no built-in batteries or there's no replaceable batteries that are needed, which is a plus for the alarm part. And on the inside here, there is an instruction manual or a quick warranty guide, and that's it as far as the packaging. In here, we have access to the device itself, and the device comes with a 30-day warranty from the manufacturer. It can also be purchased directly from the company's website at ChargerLeash.com. The cable length is exceptionally long, which is going to be, again, really good for people looking for a more extensive setup. And almost immediately, we can see how the cable itself is crafted out of this ribbon wire material, which means that it's going to be tangle resistant. As a more expensive charging cable, it's also differentiated by a very thick rubber padding, which makes it ultra durable, and it means that it's probably going to last even as you use it over the years, which is a good sign. And also, it's exceptionally thick, which means that it's going to remain tangle resistant and be perfect for traveling and for durability. The other tip here is just a basic micro USB end. You can see how it's connected pretty easily. And on the other side, we have access to the special ChargerLeash alarm, and also there's a click key on the other side that you can tap on to turn the alarm feature off. And finally, on the other side, there's just the simple plug-and-play cable for you to start charging your device with. We're going to give you a quick demo in a moment. Using the ChargerLeash is simple. We simply connect the micro USB tip end onto any Android smartphone or tablet. So now we have a LG G Flex here, for example. It's pretty tight in terms of the connection. You can also plug it into a PC or a Mac. It's going to work as well. And on the other side, we just plug it into our charging port. And you can see that the LED indicator will start being illuminated on the ChargerLeash device as well. It's going to be blue in color. As far as rapid charging goes, it is very good. Our LG G Flex here fully charged in under 2 hours, which is quite impressive as any charger would be considered. So it definitely works if you're looking for something that's going to charge your device very quickly and also sync your device very quickly as well. Now, it's not a USB 3.0 device, so it's not going to sync your device up to 5 gigabits per second file transfer speeds, but still it works pretty nicely for transferring multimedia files and for text and documents to a computer or to a Mac, and it works pretty well. Now, how to actually activate the alarm is also pretty simple. We simply disconnect the phone from the ChargerLeash, and after a few seconds, about 3 seconds, the device will start ringing and it will start flashing red. There's actually 3 different ways that you can turn the alarm off. The alarm itself is very audible and quite loud, so you'll hear it even if you are a few meters away. We can simply tap on the speaker box side to deactivate the alarm. It's going to still start flashing, but the alarm is going to stop ringing. The second option to deactivate the alarm is to plug it off from the power source, and the third and final way that you can deactivate the alarm is simply to plug your phone back in. So you have 3 different ways, all of them which work pretty well. in general. So usability is definitely ChargerLeash or forget-me-not charging cable work? Absolutely. But there are a few caveats. For one, there is a 3-second delay after you unplug your phone from your device. It's not immediate, which means that someone could have kind of walked away with your phone, or perhaps you could have wandered away from your charging cable before you realize you have to go back and check it. So that alarm could be a bit more instantaneous in future iterations. Otherwise, it works very, very well. It's nicely designed. We love the addition of a tangle-free ribbon wire cable, and it also has a really nice length to it, and the build quality and construction work very well, and it indeed offers high-speed file transfers and high-speed charging in general. Overall, for the price, I think that you are getting something that's unique and the next generation of charging cables, and you can learn more about this product on our full written review on our website. Thanks for watching this video review here at OS Reviews. This has been the ChargerLeash Forget-Me-Not charging cable, the microUSB Android iteration.